Okay, so another type of probability that we studied this week is called conditional probability. And so let's read for the key word. It says the data represents the results of a test for a certain disease. Assume one individual from the group is randomly selected. Find the probability of getting someone who tests positive given that she did not have the disease. So the key word here is given. So when it says given, we're going to focus on what it's saying is given. That's going to be our total. So it says given that he or she did not have the disease. So we're just going to look at the ones that, where are the people who did not have the disease? That's this column right here, right? So how many total people didn't have the disease? Well, 135 plus 12 is 147, right? So there were 147 who did not have the disease. It says, find the probability of getting someone who tested positive. So how many people tested positive? 12. Out of how many did not have the disease? 147. So the probability of getting somebody who tested positive given that they didn't have the disease, oops, sorry about that, is 12 out of 147. And if it asked for a decimal, we would round this off. But I think this is as far as we can go for a simplification. So again, when you see given, just look at what's given at the end, and depending on whether it's a row or a column, just take a look at that row or column, find the number that you're looking for, and put it over the total of what it says is given.